Hello, welcome to Data Center Daily by MSP TV, your weekly bulletin about data center world. Hi, I am Nitin Manwani, sales head at MSPL Group. Let's get started. First, highlights of this week. Entity plans 2 billion data center investment in India, aims to double data capacity. Princeton Digital Group announces flagship India data center campus in Mumbai. STT Global Data Centers India unveils an experience center for data center skill development in Bengaluru. And last, cloud services reach $130 billion dwarfs data center spending. Now let us get into the stories. Entity has announced plans to invest heavily in its Indian data center business over the next 3 years, including $400 million on solar projects. The company aims to have 2.5 million square feet of capacity in the next 3 years and will spend $2 billion in the country over the same time frame on data centers, networks and solar projects. Following the consolidation of Entity India, Entity Communication India and Entity NetMagic into one unit at the beginning of 2021, the company plans to double down on its data center business in the country. Sharat Sanghi, CEO of Entity India, said the company aims to expand from its current footprint of 1.5 million square feet across 10 data centers in 4 cities to 2.5 million square feet and enter 4 more cities. India is currently seeing a rush of data center investment entering the country, as well as Entity, Princeton Digital Group, Iron Mountain, HConnex and Hiranandani Group have all made large-scale announcements around data centers in India in recent weeks. Following this is our next story. Singapore-based Princeton Digital Group, Asia's leading data center provider, announced today, its plan to build one of the largest new greenfield campuses in Mumbai region, its first data center in India, scheduled to be service ready in 2022. We are delighted to announce the build of our first data center campus in India, our commitment to supporting our hyperscale customers in India as part of our core strategy to be a market leader in APAC, said Rangu Salgin, Chairman and CEO of PDG. PDG is the only company with the expertise, agility and backing to have built an unrivaled portfolio of 18 data centers with over 350 megawatt across 4 countries, China, Singapore, Indonesia and India, all in 3 years. STT Global Data Centers India, GDC India, as part of its corporate social responsibility initiative, today unveiled an experience center at its STT Bengaluru DC3 facility in collaboration with Schneider Electric India Foundation. The Experience Center, located in STT GDC India's Center of Excellence, was inaugurated by Srimati K. Ratnaprabha, retired IAS, former Chief Secretary, Chairperson of Karnataka Skill Development Authority, Government of Karnataka. This initiative aims to address the existing skill gap in the industry and provide students with a practical training on data center related projects in a live simulation data center environment. This unique corporate citizenship initiative by STT GDC India aims to help students build essential skills for a career in the data center industry and support their overall development through life skills coaching as well. And last story for the week is about cloud services reaching spending of whopping $130 billion. Enterprises spent whopping $130 billion on cloud infrastructure services globally in 2020, blowing by $90 billion enterprises spent on data center products at an unprecedented rate. While 2020 can be viewed as something of an anomaly due to COVID-19 pandemic, the trends are absolutely clear. According to John Dinsdale, a chief analyst at Synergy Research Group, it took 10 years for enterprises spending on cloud services to catch up with the enterprise spending on data center hardware and software. Then in 2020, the market for cloud services again soared, while spending on own data centers dropped by 6%, said Dinsdale. In the last 10 years, CIOs and business managers have increasingly voted with their wallets and decided that cloud services are the way to go. And we expect that to continue for many years to come. Well, this is it for this episode for Data Center Daily by MSP TV, and this was brought to you by our very own mspwebstore.com. Do visit our web store for power backup solutions and also for accessories related to data centers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about our upcoming episode and to stay updated with the industry news. Thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Nitin signing off. See you soon.